After Workshop 6, I made changes to the program. The biggest one being there is no Tinker to work with. This is because I wanted to make message boxes that could tell the users what they can or cannot do, also give suggestions, but I was unable to do so, so I got rid of it. As before, this program can access a text file, which allows the program to look through a list of movies from 2016 to 2015. The user can input a movie name or even words that are most noticeable in a movie name. Afterwards, the program will go through a count method with the movie name as its input. Within this method, it'll go through the text file and see if that word or movie name is within that file. If it is, there is a total variable which will count up the number of times that it has been found. Afterwards, it will return it back to the main program. And depending on how many times it's brought up, it'll come to this if statement. If the count is 0, then the program will tell the user that there is no movie within that text file. If it is brought up once, then the program will access the Roger Ebert website with the line of text within that file altered. As I mentioned before, there is an altered method which will change up the input so it can be satisfiable to the Roger Ebert website. If the input given previously is brought up twice or even 10 times between there, where the program will tell the user what did they mean. Did they mean these certain numbers of movies, which will be given through the listed movie method. With this method, that it'll go through the text file and find the number of movies with the precise name or even the word that goes with the movie, which will be shown to the user and prints out. You can type in one of these. And I mentioned previously that the previous program was very sensitive. So the final statement given in this if-else statement is if there is more than just 10 movie results that can be found, it'll tell that the results are too extensive and the user should be more specific. And here is how. I'm just going to leave it with nothing at first so you can see that it loses its sensitivity. Now we're going to do so again, but this time we're going to test out the listed movie method. So as you can see, only 3 movie entries, and now I can choose one of them. As you can see, one of the problems is that it doesn't give the user option to come back to it. Now I'm going to type in Doctor Strange. result is the Doctor Strange movie review.